Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the hinge bushing in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket wrench. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new hinge bushing. There are 4 hinge bushings used in this fridge. They allow for smooth opening and closing of the doors. If the refrigerator or the freezer door won't close properly or makes a noise, the hinge bushing should be checked and replaced if needed. Get up on the side of the fridge and remove the hinge cover. You may need to use the flat blade screwdriver. Using a 10mm socket wrench, take out the 3 mounting screws and lift off the upper door hinge. Make sure the door is not going anywhere. You can see the upper hinge bushing on the top of the opening. All the bushings could be removed with the flat blade screwdriver. This is the old hinge bushing next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the hinge bushing into the opening on the top of the door. Install the top hinge, align the holes, make sure the door is properly aligned, and using the socket wrench, secure it with the 3 10mm screws. Place the hinge cover on. To get to the bottom refrigerator door hinge bushing, remove the top hinge cover and the top hinge. Remove the refrigerator door off the lower hinge and put it on the side. There is the second hinge bushing. Use the flat blade screwdriver to pop it out. Insert the new hinge bushing into the opening. Install the refrigerator door. Finish it by installing the upper hinge and the hinge cover. To get to the 2 bottom bushings, we need to remove the freezer door. Using the socket wrench, take out the 2 10mm screws that hold the bottom hinge and drop it down. Remove the freezer door. Number 3 bushing is on the top of the door. Just pull it off. Number 4 bushing is underneath of the freezer door. Use the flat blade screwdriver to remove it. Replace the needed hinge bushings and reinstall the door. Install the freezer door on the upper hinge. Hold the door and secure the bottom hinge to the cabinet with 2 10mm screws using the socket wrench. And plug the fridge in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.